a storehouse of love and never-ending laughter, an archives of memories, a space full of dreams, speaking volumes of where you've been, more so of who you are. And here we put these pieces together to create a place that you can call home. So come, stay along where you belong. Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. So if you haven't watched the last video that we posted, it is about a colorful home. Now I call it colorful because we've used orange and green as the primary colors. No, we've not used them in their rawest form, we've used them in their much paler versions. But this video that you're going to see now is the second part to that video. That was all about the living room and the dining area. Today you will be visiting the kitchen and the living room and the bedroom. The kitchen is a beautiful, vibrant space. We've used the color mint green, we've used a lot of grey, we've used it's a very fresh and bright space. We've literally torn down the entire kitchen and rebuilt it from scratch. So that should be interesting for you to watch. The bedroom is a very calm and serene space. So that's not so much of a mid-century design. It's got a lot of Scandinavian touches. So have a look at this video and let me know how you feel. So let's start the video. So this is the kitchen area of the flat, and this was always an open concept. This did not have any walls on this side, but it had a dry balcony which was attached. So the kitchen primarily was only 6 feet of slab space. This was where the wall of the dry balcony started. Now, as you must have seen in many of my videos, I always encourage that in case you are not going to use the dry balcony as a dry balcony or a utility, I would suggest you to take the wall down, and that's exactly what I've done. So if you look at the before clips, which are going to be punched in right away, there was a wall here. This was a black kitchen slab over here and a small kitchen slab on this side. So the first thing that we have done here is to remove the granite slab which was on this side and that side. We've also removed the backsplash. We have gone ahead with this beautiful grey granite, and to complement that we have these lovely smaller brick kind of tiles which we have chosen to go as for the backsplash. Now, once we demolished the wall which was in the dry balcony, we were able to accommodate a much larger slab, and this is almost 10 feet long. The height, if you notice, of this counter is lower than what you generally see. So here at Fulcrum we do follow standard measurements, but we customize the measurements as per the client's ergonomics, I would say. So my clients are not very tall here, and having a slab which is 33 inches would be very difficult for her to use. So that is why we have made the counter slab much lower. Now if you look at me, my height, according to my height, I would probably prefer it to be slightly higher, but for her height and her husband's height, this was the perfect height that we needed to achieve. So that's how we have done that. Another thing for the kitchen order you will see is that we do not provide any, I don't know what you would call it, a molding in front of the granite. And that is a choice, of course, but this is what I suggest, is that generally accumulates a lot of dirt and muck. But this gives a much smoother finish. It's very easy to clean, and the entire slab is generally kept very clean and handy. So this side of the slab is used for the gas. We have a space for the hob over here. We drilled a hole for the cylinder here till they get the gas pipeline. We have a space for the chimney over here. The sink has gone right into the rear corner, and above the sink is a cabinet in which they will be housing their aqua. The cabinets on both sides of the chimneys are for all kind of daily usage things, and we've given a combination of glass, closed shutters, a little bit of wooden shutters. So it's a very beautiful combination of things, of cabinets that we have provided. We have top opening ones, we have front opening ones. So each of them have a specific purpose. And when we design kitchens, we sit with the client and kind of discuss this entire thing out with them. This side of the kitchen, we've left it like an electronics counter because this had a good slab as a working counter. So this is where they will be housing their refrigerator. This is a unit which is a pantry unit, so this can have all their groceries. This is the space for the microwave. They do not use a convection oven, so this is the space that they need. What we also have here is a small electronic space. So the mixer, grinder, the coffee maker, toaster, all these kind of electronics can be housed here. And we have enough plug sockets and things which are electrical provisions. We also have placed lights under each cabinet so that there is enough illumination in the kitchen. Above and below this counter as well, we have given enough storage space, so the crockery and things like the daily essentials, all of that can be housed in this area. Now for the kitchen, we have continued the same color theme because we opened the kitchen up. So you will see a lot of mint usage. The same laminate that is being used in the living room has also been used here. And we have given a combination of white. The white is reflected on the tiles and the same white is carrying on the walls of the entire living room. So the living kitchen, living dining and the kitchen, they form like one floor and one space in this entire home. So this is the master bedroom of the house. When I first saw this room, I felt like this has a walk-in closet on the side. So initially when I hadn't seen that part, I was wondering how will we accommodate everything in this room, and then I realized that there is a walk-in closet space attached to this bedroom. So instantly what I came up with was, like one of these luxury hotel suites. That's the kind of feel I felt in this room. So what we wanted to do is house a big bed. So if not a luxury hotel suite, let me just put it like a luxury cottage kind of a feel is what I instantly thought of. So that's the feel I have created in this room, keeping the mid-century design constant, since that is the design style which we've used through the entire home. So the first thing in the room when you enter is this bed. Now this is a full king size bed, 6 by 6.5, and we gave her a very beautiful wooden headboard. This is made out of purely pine wood. And we gave her 2 side tables which were large extensions. What the client definitely wanted was a window seating. So she had seen my videos previously and she definitely wanted a window seating. We had this entire wall to play with. So what we did was we created a window ledge and we created a space for her books. She loves to read, her husband loves to play the guitar. So I wanted them to have a space in their bedroom where both of them could have some intimate moments of just sharing each other's passions with each other rather. So that's how this entire room has been designed. I have also placed a console unit right in front of the bed. There is enough walkway on all sides of the bed, so the console unit kind of also fits in very well. There is a provision to house the television above the console in case they want to in the future. As of now, they're just a couple, so they would want to retain, having some pictures and things and just the TV only in the living room. But in the future, as time progresses, they may want to have a television here and we have provision for that. So this is the seating area of the window seating area of the space. What we've done here is to give her about 18 inches of seating. Now this is generally, typically we would do anywhere between 18 to 22, and 18 is the lowest size of course, but it's still very comfortable. We've housed a lot of storage under the seating, and what I've done here is the books, the unit which houses her books or a bookshelf, I have given it a two-way kind of a look. So one is when you enter the room, you see that, and then there is this little alcove on this side, which can house the books, they can house photo frames, anything, and they have small lights. So during the evening time when all the lights are switched off, just having these on looks very beautiful and very romantic. That is the kind of feel I wanted for this space. We have also provided for a foamed mattress on top of the seating to make it very comfortable, and added some cushions here just for her to relax, chill, have a cup of tea, read a book. So this becomes a very nice corner, so to speak, in the room. The color that the client wanted in the room was definitely blue, and we chose to go ahead with a very pastel kind of a blue here because that again goes with the mid-century vibe. I have complemented that with a deeper shade of blue on the sheets, and I've added this beautiful linen duvet cover and some pillows, again of linen, very sustainable. If you see the linen and the stripes, it kind of reminds us of that cottage kind of a feel. What I've also done is to give a batten wall. So we did not want to add anything behind the bed. We just wanted the wall to have an additional color and feel a little different. So we've added a batten wall. Now these are straight battens, and they just anchor the headboard of the bed really well. Also for the lighting, we have provided her with sockets on both sides of the side table so that table lamps can be plugged in. But since she has a dog and a lot of these accessories are not going to be there on a daily basis, I wanted her to have lamps which are hanging from the ceiling, just so that they can be used as lights for the table in case necessary. So this is the bookshelf. So as soon as you enter the bedroom, this is what you see, and this looks really beautiful as a piece of decor, as a bookshelf which can be used for housing some personal decorative pieces, or this can be used as a bookshelf. It can be used with baskets for some extra storage if necessary. What we've done here is to use profile lights. So each shelf is lit. It's not so you have to switch on all of them together, of course, but they look really beautiful at night when you don't want to have any other light on in the room. It also has a series of storage below, so a lot of things like bed linen and regular stuff can be accommodated below. I have a reel on Instagram which shows you how to decorate a bookshelf. So if you're interested, you can probably look at that. This is the console area, which is right in front of the bed. It's a 6-drawer console, very mid-century inspired. We have the shades of white, we have wooden shades, and little antique brass knobs. Again, additional storage, and it also can be a good anchor in case they want a television. At the moment, we've just placed a beautiful couple of floral frames which reflect the same blue color that you see right behind the bed. So the laminates that we've used here mostly are in the wooden format, and the headboard is wood. This is a very, very typical mid-century color or wooden texture to use, and that kind of makes the room feel very mid-century, very cottagey as well. So now you have to tell me which is the which part or which corner of the house is your favorite one.
Well, I'm yet to start living in this house, but still I would say this space, basically this chair and this Buddha statue, I requested Pallavi after seeing her home video where she kind of has a similar Zen space area. So this I would say would be my favorite corner in future, definitely, and the other favorite corner would definitely be the bedroom, and the reason you will see in some time.
Yeah, so the corner where the reading bench and right. Okay, tell me something about the kitchen. What is your view that were you apprehensive when I shared with you that we should remove the kitchen ota and and the wall. So we've taken the dry balcony of the kitchen inside. So what is your take to, were you apprehensive in the beginning, or what did you feel about the kitchen?
Well, again, I had seen a couple of your videos earlier, so where you had done a similar process.
Thank God for you.
I mean, to be very frank, I would say I gave a second thought to it, of course. But then again, I mean, when you like suggested and like told that it would look really good that way and you would get more space, and I thought, why not go with it?
Yeah.
And it turned out awesome.
Right.
And one more thing to add, like she's one of the person. I mean, all of us have read about sustainability. We try to do a lot of stuff, but she's one of the person who has really inspired me to do sustainable stuff. And I'm like, when I was just telling her the same thing few weeks back, that I myself have decided that I would clear up all the plastics in my house and go towards totally sustainable and all that stuff.
Great. I'm so privileged that when even one person feels that way. I mean, that's practically how we're going to make that change.
Of course, really.
Awesome. Thank you so much for this opportunity to give you a home, because I feel that my job is, it's not just interiors. It's basically making people's dreams come true. So many people come to me with their first time houses, and that's so special to each person, no matter how many houses you make actually. Every house is special. So tell me, how did you feel when you saw this video? You must leave me a comment on this video if you have watched it, and let me know your thoughts on the video. What is it that you liked a lot? What is it that inspired you? What is it that you felt was different from whatever I have shown you on this channel? So I would love to hear your comments on this video. As I always share, if you are in need of a makeover, if you want to get a part of your home design, if you want a space to be transformed, please do get in touch with us. We will be very happy to assist you with the same. Due to the COVID times, we are taking up lesser projects, which means that we are spacing out our projects. We start the design process, but your execution will start at simultaneously with a few other projects, so we don't take up all of them. So many a times it may happen that I am not, we don't take it up just at that time, but if you give us a little time, if you give us a little lead time of maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks or maybe a month, we will definitely be able to accommodate you. So do get in touch with us if you want to get that done. Every month we offer 3 online consultancies. So, and in an online consultancy, the basic structure of an online consultancy is where we provide you with the designs, elevations, everything, and 3D drawings, everything that you need to get your project executed. This is available only for people who do not reside in Pune. So if you are looking to get your home designed, a room designed, or any space designed by us, you can definitely get in touch with us through our email ID, through our WhatsApp number. You can message us here, and we will definitely be able to help you with whichever slot is available. So I look forward to hearing from you on that as well. A lot of these things that you saw here, the reason behind how we do it, how we do these certain setups, what looks nice, how to go about it. These are short videos which we don't post on YouTube, but they're all available on our Instagram page. So how to set up a cozy bed, how to set up a corner, how to set up a bookshelf, how to set up a bar unit. All these short video reels are available on our Instagram, and I would really encourage you to go and follow us there, because that gives you an update on what we are doing, and all these small tutorials as well. So you can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and be with us. Join our Fulcrum family, and we will see you at all these platforms. So this is me signing off after a long video and a long outro. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be informed of more videos. Thank you so much for watching.